The Redmi A4 5G is an exciting addition to the budget smartphone category, offering a solid feature set at a very competitive price. With a price tag of around 10,000 Indian rupees, this phone promises a lot for users looking for a device with 5G capabilities, a large display, and good performance. Let's break down what you can expect from this affordable offering from Redmi. Design and display. The Redmi A4 5G features a 6.7-inch IPS LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is quite rare in budget phones. While the 720 by 1612 pixel resolution is not the sharpest you'll find, the 90 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling, which gives the phone a more premium feel. The large display makes it great for watching videos, browsing, and gaming on a budget. The phone is designed to provide a good screen-to-body ratio, giving you an immersive experience for media consumption, though it does fall short of full HD in terms of pixel density. Performance and software. The Redmi A4 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 chipset, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD. This combination offers decent performance for everyday tasks like social media, web browsing, and light gaming. It's not a powerhouse, but it handles day-to-day use without any major hiccups. For users looking for heavy multitasking or intense gaming, you might want to look elsewhere, but for a budget phone, it performs admirably. The phone runs on Android 14 with HyperOS, providing a clean, user-friendly interface with some useful features like a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, and compass. Overall, the software experience is smooth, and you won't face any significant lag or delays during regular use. Camera performance. For its price, the Redmi A4 5G offers a 50-megapixel primary camera on the back. While it may not compete with flagship cameras, it takes clear and vibrant photos with good detail, especially in daylight. The HDR feature works well in balancing shots, and low-light performance is decent, though it's not extraordinary. For those who love taking selfies, the 8-megapixel front camera delivers solid performance for video calls and casual selfies, capable of recording in 1080p as well. Battery life and charging. One of the standout features of the Redmi A4 5G is its 5,000 mAh battery, which offers great endurance. With moderate usage, you can easily get a full day out of the phone. Whether it's browsing, texting, or watching videos, you shouldn't have to worry about running out of battery. The device also supports 18-watt fast charging, so you can quickly top up the battery when needed, although it's not the fastest in its class. Final thoughts. The Redmi A4 5G brings impressive features to the budget segment. With a large 90 Hz display, a 50-megapixel camera, 5G support, and a 5,000 mAh battery, it ticks all the boxes for someone looking for an affordable yet capable smartphone. While its performance won't win any benchmarks, it provides more than enough for casual users. If you're on a budget and need a 5G phone, the Redmi A4 offers great value for money at around 10,000 Indian rupees. For anyone looking for a phone that delivers good performance and a solid all-around experience without breaking the bank, the Redmi A4 5G is definitely worth considering.